Hello everyone, welcome to my class. So from the test conducted by MN Chemistry Online, it was found that some students are good in their test, while some students are facing difficulties to solve the problem. I mean, to find out the correct answer. So here I'm with the solution and let's discuss it and clear your hard areas. So the MCQs, the first MCQs was, look, medical 2012. 1 AMU is equal to 1.661 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram. Then 1 gram will be equal to. So from here we are going to find out the answer. So let's see. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया है पहले लेक्चर्स में कि just look at the relation and from the relation just by comparison find out the answer. So here is the relation between AMU and gram. Look, if 1.661 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram is equal to 1 AMU is equal to 1 AMU. अगर हमारे साथ 1.661 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 24 ग्राम हो और वो बराबर है 1 AMU का, then 1 gram will be equal to how much AMU? If this gram 1.661 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram is equal to 1 AMU, then look, if 1 AMU is equal to this, then 1 gram will be equal to how much AMU? If this much gram is equal to 1 AMU, then 1 gram will be equal to how much AMU? By cross multiplication, x multiplies 1.661 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 24 is equal to 1 into 1. X is equal to 1 divided by 1.661 multiplied 10 raised to the power minus 24. So by calculation, the answer will be 0.622 multiplied 10 raised to the power 24. So point here after 6. So 6.00 here, 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23 will be the answer. Mean 1 gram will be equal to this much AMU, 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23. So 1 AMU, 1 gram is equal to 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23 AMU. शार्ट ट्रिक के तौर पर आप याद रखें कि 1 ग्राम अवोगाड्रो नंबर के बराबर है, लेकिन यूनिट क्या है? यूनिट है AMU. So the answer is 6.02. Yes, this one is the answer. So A is the answer. MCQs number first. Now look at the MCQs number second. How many the volume occupied by 3.2 gram of oxygen at STPS. मैंने आपको मोल एंड अवोगाड्रो नंबर के लेक्चर में आपको क्लियर किया है ये कि एटॉमिक मास, मॉलिक्यूलर मास, फार्मूला मास एक्सप्रेस इन ग्राम is equal to 1 mole is equal to Avogadro number is equal to volume molar is equal to 22.4 dm cube. Mean 1 mole of any substance will occupy this much volume in dm cube or in liter. 1 mole of any substance, and 1 mole is actually the atomic mass, molecular mass, or formula mass. So here is the oxygen, so we consider the molecular mass. So O2 is equal to 32 gram is equal to 1 mole is equal to 22.4 dm cube is equal to 22.4 dm cube. Now look here, they have given the mass in gram 3.2, mean 32 divided by 10 is equal to 3.2 gram. So 22.4 dm cube divided by what? Divided by 10 is equal to 2.24 dm cube. So this is the answer. Now look, 22.4 dm cube, no. 2.24, yes. 2.24 dm cube is the आंसर। एक कंसेप्ट अगर क्लियर नहीं है, पहले तो यहाँ से क्लियर कर ले कि एटॉमिक मास, मॉलिक्यूलर मास, फार्मूला मास, एक्सप्रेशन ग्राम इज इक्वल टू मोल इज इक्वल टू अवोगाड्रो नंबर इज इक्वल टू मोलर वॉल्यूम। सो यहाँ पे अगर हम 32 ग्राम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन ले लें, विच इज द मॉलिक्यूलर मास, it will be equal to 1 mole, and the volume occupied by 1 mole of a substance is equal to 22.4 m cube. यहाँ देख ले, they have taken 3.2 mean, they have divided, उसने divide किया है 32 by 10, तो मैंने divide किया 32 by 10 is equal to 3.2. अगर ये फिर 10 पे divide करना है तो इसको भी 10 पे divide कर ले. So the answer is 2.24 and here the option B is the answer. फिर भी अगर क्लियर नहीं है तो प्लीज वॉच माय प्रीवियस वीडियो ऑन मोल एंड अवोगाड्रो नंबर. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज. हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर देयर इन 1 mole of water? How many hydrogen atoms are there in 1 mole of water? Now look at the concept. If we have 1 mole H2O, 1 mole H2O, this will be equal to 6.022 multiply 10 raised to the power 23 molecules, water molecules. एक मोल में इतने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल हैं, एंड पर मॉलिक्यूल of H2O we have what? We have 2 hydrogen atom. टोटल मॉलिक्यूल इतने हैं एंड पर मॉलिक्यूल 2 हाइड्रोजन है. सो 2 multiply 6.022 multiply 10 raised to the power 23, that will be the atoms. The answer 6 2s are 12.044 multiply 10 raised to the power 23, which is equal to 1.2044 multiply 10 raised to the power 24. ये भी हो सकता है आंसर if they're in the option, and ये भी हो सकता है. अब देख लें. 6.022 no, 1.80 no, 1.2 yes, 1.20 is the answer. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है C. नेक्स्ट MCQs. A gas at STP, standard temperature and pressure, contain only 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to about 23 atoms. So atoms, definitely this will be monoatomic, and it is monoatomic will occupy. The concept is very clear. If 1 mole is equal to number of particle is equal to Avogadro number is equal to 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power what? 23 is equal to volume molar is equal to 22.4 dm cube. So the answer is 22.4 dm cube, and 22.4 dm cube is equal to 22.4 liter, mean 1 dm cube is equal to 1 liter. Now next, MCQ. If 28 gram of nitrogen gas is reacted with 8 gram of H2 gas to form NH3, the limiting reactant among the two will be. So if you want to find out the limiting reagent, you need to write the balanced chemical equation. N2 react with 3H2, that gives 2NH3. This is very simple, most popular reversible reaction. Mean from the mole, 1 mole react with the 3 mole and form 2 mole. This is the ratio in moles. In gram, 28 gram hydrogen, atomic mass 14. So 14 multiplied 2 is equal to 28 gram. Hydrogen 1, total 6. React with 6 gram of hydrogen and form 34 gram of ammonia. If 28 gram of nitrogen gas is reacted with 8 gram. So for 28, we need 6 gram. And the given of hydrogen is 8 gram. Mean hydrogen is in excess. Mean nitrogen is the limiting reagent. दोबारा सुन ले, बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन कंसिडर कर ले. मैंने डेटा मोल में भी लिया और ग्राम में भी. यहाँ पे उसने दिया है ग्राम में. According to the balanced chemical equation, for 28 gram of nitrogen, we need 6 gram of hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic mass 1 and the 6 time, 2 3s are 6, 6 time. So 6 multiply 1, 6. For 28 gram, we need 6 gram. And here they have given per 28, they have per 28 of nitrogen, they have given 8 of hydrogen. Mean per 28, we need just 6. And the given of hydrogen is 8. Mean hydrogen is in excess. Hydrogen is the excess reagent. So automatically nitrogen is the limiting reagent. Next one. 10 liter of chlorine gas reacts with 40 liter of hydrogen gas under same condition of temperature and pressure. How much volume of HCl will be produced? Here again write the balanced chemical equation. क्योंकि उसने दिया है 2. If you want to find out the amount of product produced, definitely you will find out the limiting reagent. H2 plus Cl2, that gives 2 HCl. Mean per 1 mole of hydrogen we need 1 mole of chlorine and it will produce 2 mole of HCl. In terms of mole, 1 mole, 1 mole. In terms of volume, 1 mole is equal to 22.4 dm cube and 22.4 dm cube. It will produce 44.8 dm cube of HCl and here 2 mole. अब देख लें 22.4 के लिए 22 required है. Mean this is 1:1 ratio. अब देख लें per 10 liter RDM cube the same. मैंने पहले बता दिया कि 1 liter is equal to 1 dm cube. Mean 10 liter अब Cl2 के लिए required होगा 10 liter. अब देख ले 10 liter of Cl gas react with 40 liter of hydrogen. Mean this one is the limiting. 10 के लिए 10 required है और उसने दिया है कितना 40. This one is the excess. So this one is the limiting. Now on the basis of limiting find out the amount of product produced. Now look, अगर हम 22.4 dm cube or liter, this one 22.4 dm cube of chlorine use कर ले, it will produce 44, mean almost 2 times. तो अगर हम 10 इस्तेमाल कर ले, here is the comparison between Cl2 and HCl. अगर हम 22.4 dm cube या liter इस्तेमाल कर ले, so the product will be 44.8 dm cube or liter. If you use 10 liter, how much this will be produced? So this is almost 2 times. The answer will be 20. From the calculation you can find out the answer 20. 40 no, 30 no, 20 yes. So the answer option C is the correct answer. Now next one, which of the following contain greatest number of atoms? मैंने आपको मोल नेविगेटर नंबर के कंसेप्ट में मैंने आपको बताया था कि greater the number of mole mean greater will be the number of particles. Consider कर ले 4 gram almost 2 mole. 4 gram almost 2 mole. Magnesium 4 gram 32 or 40 will be equal to 1 gram. So this is not a topic of discussion. All is not also there. And 71 grams. So Cl2 is equal to 71 gram is equal to 1 mole. 71 gram of chlorine में total है 1 mole. 4 gram of magnesium है less than 1 mole. All तो हो नहीं सकता. And 4 gram of hydrogen में total 1 mole. So total number of particle will be 2 multiply 6 0.022 multiply 10 raised to the power 23 hydrogen molecules are, you can say, hydrogen molecule will be also greater and atom will be also greater. So the correct option is this one. Now consider the next one. How many atoms are there in 1 mole of CaOH whole twice? 1 मोल में कितने एटम्स होंगे? 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 6.022 multiply 10 raised to the power 23 molecules of what? CaOH whole twice, and they are asking for the number of what? For the number of atoms. Now per molecule, calcium number of atom 1, oxygen number of atom 2, because 2 is here, is the whole square, so 2 per both, and hydrogen is equal to 2, so total number of atoms 5, as we have 6.022 multiply 10 raised to the power 23 molecules, so multiply 5, and you can also write 5 multiply Avogadro number, so the answer option A is the correct one. Now next, 1 atomic mass unit in kgs. 1 atomic mass unit in kg mean आपने क्या करना है, एटॉमिक मास यूनिट को, 1 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट को आपने केजी में एक्सप्रेस करना है फ्रॉम द कंसेप्ट बेस्ड, जो मैंने पहले एमसीक्यूज में आपको बताया कि 1 AMU इज इक्वल टू 1.661 मल्टीप्लाई 10 रेज़्ड टू पावर -24 ग्राम. ये एमसीक्यूज में अक्सर पुट किया जाता है. And from this we derived that 1 gram is equal to 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23 AMU. ये पहले हमने कहाँ पे फाइंड आउट किया? इधर ये देख लें, 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23. अगर 1 ग्राम में इतने MU है तो 1000 ग्राम में कितने होंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो x इज इक्वल टू 1000 मल्टीप्लाई अवोगाड्रो नंबर. ये तो नंबर ऑफ AMU है 1000 ग्राम मीन 1 kg में, लेकिन क्वेश्चन है 1 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट इन kg. आपने 1 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट को kg में एक्सप्रेस करना है. सो लुक, इफ आई से 1 kg इज इक्वल टू 1 kg, ये है ना 1000 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 मल्टीप्लाई NA AMU. अगर 1 किलोग्राम इतने AMU के बराबर है तो 1 AMU विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच किलोग्राम. अगर 1 किलोग्राम में टोटल इतने AMUs हैं, ये भी एक MCQs है, दे कैन पुट दिस, लेकिन नाउ दे आर आस्किंग पर 1 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट इन kg. आपने एक एटॉमिक मास यूनिट को kg में एक्सप्रेस करना है. अगर 1 kg बराबर है 1000 मल्टीप्लाई अवोगाड्रो नंबर AMU के, तो 1 AMU कितने kg के बराबर होगा? सो बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी गेट x मल्टीप्लाई 1000 मल्टीप्लाई अवोगाड्रो नंबर इज इक्वल टू 1 मल्टीप्लाई 1 एंड डिवाइडिंग बाय 1000 Avogadro number, and this also 1000 into Avogadro numbers. Cancel each other, and x will be equal to 1 divided by 1000 into number Avogadro. 1 divided by NA, no. So this is the answer. 1 divided by NA, no. 12 divided by NA, no. 1 divided by 1000 into NA. So this is the answer. So option C is the answer here. Now the next one, question number 10, MCQ number 10. The modern atomic weight scale is based on हाइड्रोजन. नहीं, पहले स्टार्ट लिया उसने हाइड्रोजन से, फिर शिफ्ट हो गए ऑक्सीजन पे, और लास्ट वन कार्बन 6 12 पे शिफ्ट हो गए हैं, दैट वी यूज नाउअडेज. सो सी इज द आंसर, कार्बन 6 12 इज द आंसर. दिस इज सिंपल वन. नेक्स्ट, बोरोन, question number 11. Boron has stable isotope B10 which is 19%, B11, which is 81%. The atomic weight that should appear for the boron in the periodic table, as boron exists in isotopic form. So the atomic weight will be the average of the two, or if exists in two form, if exists in more than two. The general formula for the average atomic mass, average atomic weight is equal to atomic weight of one isotope multiply percentage plus atomic weight of another isotope multiply percentage divide by what? Divide by 100. Very simple. Now look, for boron, one has atomic mass, atomic weight 10. So from the formula, 10 multiply percentage. The percentage is 19. So multiply 19 plus atomic weight of another one, which is 11. 11 multiply 8 percentage. So the percentage is 81. Divide by what? Divide by 100. So from the calculation, we get the answer, which is, the answer will be almost 10.8. The answer will be 10.8. So option B, option A is the correct answer. Now next, (74.5 gram of metallic chloride contain 35.5 gram of chlorine. The equivalent weight of metal is. टोटल मेटल क्लोराइड है क्या? मेटल क्लोराइड है इज इक्वल टू 74.5. इसमें से जो क्लोरीन है, दिस वन, x is equal to 35.5. So m will be total minus that of chlorine is equal to, this will be equal to 74, so 0.0 almost 0.5 minus 0.5, 4, 14, and 14 minus 5, 9, so 6 and 6, 3, so 39.0 will be the answer. 19.5 no, 35.5 no, 39.0 yes. So here the answer is C. Consider next one. F, Na is the Avogadro number. Then the number of valence electron, they are asking for what? For valence electron in 4.2 gram of nitride ion. Look here, they are asking for nitride ion. As we know, nitrogen belongs to group number 5. Mean we'll have valence electron is equal to 5. As this is minus 3, so mean 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. If we consider, मतलब ये कि हर एक नाइट्राइड आयन के साथ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन वो बराबर होंगे 8 के, 8 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नाउ अगर हम कंसिडर कर ले 14 ग्राम ऑफ व्हाट? ऑफ नाइट्रोजन. एटॉमिक मास ऑफ नाइट्रोजन इज 14. So 14 gram is equal to what? Is equal to 1 mole. Is equal to what? Avogadro number is equal to what? 6.022 multiplied 10 raised to the power 23. Mean 14 gram will be equal to Avogadro number of nitrogen atoms. 14 gram will be equal to Avogadro number of nitrogen atoms. but they are not asking for nitrogen atoms, they are asking for the valence shell electron in nitride. As each nitrogen have 5 and this is a nitride, mean each nitride have 8 electron. टोटल 14 ग्राम में अवोगाड्रो नंबर ऑफ नाइट्राइड आयन होंगे and each nitride have 8 valence electron, so 14 gram will have this much. लेकिन उसने दिया है 4.2. if 14 ग्राम में टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन ये है, then 4.2 ग्राम में टोटल नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन x. So cross multiplication x multiply 14 is equal to 8 into Na multiply 4.2. So x is equal to 8 multiply Na into 4.2 divided by what? Divided by 14. By doing the calculation, we get the answer, which is x is equal to, where is my mobile so that I can do the calculation? Here, look. At multiply 4.2 equal divide by 14. The answer is 2.4. Multiply Na. So 2.4, yes, A is the आंसर. तो ये हमने उसी MCQs पे, उसी प्रॉब्लम्स पे फोकस किया जो मोस्टली रिपीट होता रहता है in MCQs based examination like ETA, MDCAT, ECAT, NUST, NUMS, JK and so on. Thank you for watching my video.